Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Adhika Badari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna see the solution of this problem. Okay. So here, let's make a function, define swap. Okay. Now, here we will take a parameter L. Okay, don't write list here guys, because list is already a keyword in Python, right? It may cause some errors to your program, so I prefer not to use it and use L instead of that. Okay, now here what we will do, we will write L dot append, L dot append, and here we will write else first value. So the first value will get appended to the last, but remember first value will be there also. Means if I have run this function over this, so first value will be there only, and another value 34 will get added at the end. Okay, so now to remove the first value we will write L dot pop 0, so it will pop the first element. Okay, now as you know that we have appended 34 at the end, so now the last value will be, the position of last value will get -2. Okay, I have told you in my indexing videos that what is -1, -2 and how to work over it. Okay, so now here we will write L dot insert, because we have to insert on the first position, that's why we will write L dot insert, because I have told you that insert is the only method that we can use to insert values at any position. So first I will give 0, that is the position, and then I will give L -2. So the second last value will get inserted at the first position. Now we have to remove that second last value also, so L dot pop -2. Okay, now we will return L. Okay, so here's our function. Now let's copy this list. Wait a second, let's remove this one. Okay, now let's copy this list and here we will write print swap, and here we will write paste the list. Okay, now let's see what is the answer. See, 34 and 56 has swapped their positions, as you can see here. So right, this is the solution of this question. See you soon in my next video guys. Thank you for being with me till the end.